What is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that end in wow. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and I am out here today on Clarks Hill Lake. I'm doing a bunch of scouting today, and I'm gonna go ahead and try and catch me some fish. I'm hoping that I'm finding some fish in open water, suspended, and just trying to learn more about this lake. So you got to spend time on the water. You got to spend time on the waters that you plan on fishing. So I'm learning the Clarks Hill Lake a lot about it. I got some good folks in the Crappie Club that I joined, Clarks Hill Crappie Club, that are giving me some information, good intel. So I'm coming out here. If you give me a starting point, I can expand from there. But that's just how it helps to shorten your learning curve when you got good people trying to help you out. So I'm just running up on a stump right here that I have marked, and it looked like there's some fish on that. So I am going to go ahead and drop my motor. Let's see if I can pull some evil but sure enough tasty crappie out there. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves these comments, and everybody who hits that like button. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them. All right, well, at least I know that's what it is. It's a small one. Got the skunk off the boat. That's two small fish. I might just show y'all the LiveScope footage better than the actual fish. While I'm doing that, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and record this. Let me get my phone. I'm about to try and record. I can catch these fish that are suspended out there. They look like some good sized fish. 30 feet out in front of me. Cast out to about 40. Okay, 36 right on top of them. See if they react. Yep, there we go. You see it. You see it. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, yeah. Go back out and do it again. Them are crappie. Them are good ones too. Jump in 20 feet. This is where my brake. This is where one that have brakes come in handy. Do that one left, shallow, short. 20 feet. You don't get to be big by being stupid. It's still out there 36 feet now. Change my bait, fish out of it. Here we go. All right, didn't catch him. Oh, why? Now, that fish waited till I got up to the boat, pretty much, and then hit it, and I missed it. So I'm gonna open up my hook a little bit. I've been having issues last couple of days with my hooks, or I'm not sticking the fish. Not sticking the fish when I'm setting the hook. That's a problem. Let's get that fixed. The fish in the front of that brush look a little bit bigger than the ones in it. Come on, got it? That's a keeper. That's my first keeper. She's about 11 inches. No, she's short. She ain't gonna be 11 inches. I got some folks that want some fish today. So maybe I'll keep some 10s. Nope, I was wrong. That fish is 11 inches. She's 11. Yeah, that's small. That was small. Open up that hook and start sticking them, I guess. Alright, I'm catching little fish out of here. We're gonna leave these alone. So, we're gonna leave these alone, little babies. Get out of here. Not out here for that. Let's go scout. Just chasing, that's all they doing. Chasers. Running me out of there. There we go. I had to go across the top of them. Come here, girl. You're gonna keep it. She's barely 11 inches, but she's 11. Oops. So let's see if that works. I'm gonna dance across the top of them again. Yep, I just missed it. So I got to stay across the top of them. Don't go in them and come up. So that's the second one. Let's just check it. Come on. I was gonna make a pound plus. That's the biggest fish of the day so far. She gonna make it. Nope. I can't afford another expensive hobby. Yeah, I can't afford another expensive hobby. Oh, that's a good fish. I just pulled another good one in. Yep. Yeah. All right, folks, I've been trying to go to this other spot, but the fishing in here has been too good. And if I don't go to that other spot, I'll not be able to scout it. So now I know I can catch here. I got to drive further back and find some more fish. I only have 4 in the live well right now, but there's some decent fish. Those 4 add this 1, 2, 3, 4. That gives me 8. 8 horses. 8 horses. That was a good one. Oh yes, she is. Come here, girl. Come on here, baby. Come. Oh, that one's gonna be 2. That one's gonna be 2. Ooh, she's gonna be a 2-pounder. Yes, sir. Let's. I think she got to be 2. She got to be 2. She got to be 2 pounds, baby. She got to be 2. All right, let's check you out. Maybe pound and 3/4 minimum. I'm banking on 2 though. Oh. 1.84. 184. 1.84 pounds. That's a big baby. She's just short of 2 pounds. I was close. I was close. But hey, hey baby, daddy, love you, baby. That's another good fish out of that stack. That was another good fish out of that stack. I wish my phone battery wasn't dead. I would have been able to live scope this one too. This one ain't as big as the other one, but she gonna make it. That's a good fish. She's a 1.5 pounds, maybe. Oh! Ooh, hook come out of it too, just in time. Yeah, this was about 1.25 pounds, not 1.5 pounds. Since I got my scale, let's put her on it. $108. Good fish. Chase me out of there. That'd be a good giveaway fish. That'd be a good giveaway fish. She gonna curl the bottom of the bucket. But she look like a dwarf compared to the other ones. She gonna make it too. Where are you? What are you? I knew it was a daggone hybrid. Yeah, she fought with it. Uh-oh, folks. It's getting ready to start raining. Might be about time for me to get out of here. I don't think I want to keep this one. It's good to fight. I'm gonna let her go because I'm keeping them fish I got. All right, folks, that is gonna wrap it up for this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. I got a nice little 13 piece right here. This is my big girl of the day, 184, I believe it was. It's on the video. I'll check it and make sure. 184. So I'm gonna start by telling you all, as always, thank you so much for watching. I certainly appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits our like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, you already know, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil, but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.